How to tag someone on Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted to tag someone in your Instagram story but weren't sure how? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to tag someone in your Instagram story. It's super simple and a great way to connect with friends, brands, or creators. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, the first thing first, open your Instagram app and make sure that you are logged in to your Instagram account. And once you are inside the Instagram, simply tap on your story shown on the top left corner of the screen. Now you will enter the post where you can take photo or video or select one from your gallery. And once you have got your content ready, it's time to tag someone. To tag someone, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. It looks like a little square smiley face. Then select the @mention sticker from the list and you will see a box appear where you can type the person username. Start typing the username of the person you want to tag and Instagram will show you the suggestion. So just pick the correct one from the list. Once you have selected the username, the tag will appear on your story. You can move it around, you can resize it, or even change the style. And if you don't want the tag to be noticeable, you can even hide it behind the stickers or image. And once you are done with it, simply tap on share. And that's it. Tagging people in Instagram story is quick and easy. Whether you are shouting out a friend, or sharing a product, or just having some fun, it's a great way to engage with others on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.